Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to use a multimeter. So friends, for measurement of voltage we use voltmeter, for current measurement we use ammeter, for resistor we use ohm meter and so on. So instead of using individual meter for each parameter we can use multimeter which can measure both AC and DC voltage, current, resistance and test diode, transistor, LED, photosensor, continuity, etc. There are some advanced meters which can also measure capacitance, inductance, temperature and frequency. So let us start with multimeter. So this is our multimeter. It is the most basic multimeter which we are using for learning. It's a display screen. This is rotary switch or knob which we are using for selecting different parameters. There are two probes, red and black probe. Black probe represents negative, which is common for all application. We connect this black probe at this position at this common terminal. This red probe we can connect at this two position. When we want to measure current from 200 milliampere to 10 ampere range, then we connect this red probe at this position. That means for higher current measurement we connect this probe at this position. Otherwise we connect this red probe for all application at this position. Here it is indicated for voltage, resistance, current in milliampere and for testing diode, transistor, continuity. That means for all application we connect this red probe at this position. So we can measure DC voltage, AC voltage, DC current from 0 to 200 milliampere up to 10 ampere range. Resistance, we can test continuity, diode, transistor, and we can also test gain of the transistor, that is beta or HFE. So for voltage measurement from 0 to 200 millivolt, we place this knob at this position. For voltage above 200 millivolt but less than 2 volt, we place this knob at this position. For 2 volt to 20 volt at this position. For 20 volt to 200 volt at this position. And for above 200 volt but below 1000 volt, we place this knob at this position. For AC voltage, if we want to measure voltage between 0 to 200 volt at this position and above 200 volt but below 750 volt, we place this knob at this position. For current measurement for 0 to 2000 microampere range, we place this knob at this position. From 2000 microampere to 20 milliampere at this position. From 20 milliampere to 200 milliampere at this position. And above 200 milliampere but below 10 ampere range, we place this knob at this position, and at that time we have to place this red probe at this connector. For resistance measurement, if we want to measure resistor between 0 to 200 ohm, then we place this knob at this position at 200. For above 200 but below 2 kilo ohm, place at this position. Between 2k to 20k at this position. Above 20k but below 200k at this position. And above 200k but below 2000k at this position. If we want to test continuity, diode or transistor, then we place this knob at this continuity range. And for measurement of transistor again at this position. So let us start how to measure voltage and current using multimeter. So this is a circuit which I have made on breadboard. There are 3 resistance of 1K. I connect this 3 resistance of 1K and a 9 volt battery. For 9 volt battery connection I use these 2 wires. I have this 9 volt battery and I will connect it through battery connector. This is the battery connector. Let us connect it with battery and apply voltage to the circuit. So this red wire, which is for positive of the battery, it is connected with the positive terminal, and this black orange wire is connected to the negative side of the terminal. Now I am connecting this battery and we want to measure voltage. According to the calculation, across each resistance the voltage is 3 volt, 3 volt and 3 volt. So let us first check the voltage of the battery. So we all know that we can measure voltage in parallel by placing these probes across the terminal where we want to measure the voltage. So red probe at the positive terminal and black probe at the negative terminal. So first I will place the knob at the range where I want to measure voltage. So my battery voltage is 9 volt, so it will not go above 20 volt. It is above 2 volt and below 20 volt, so I am placing this knob at 20 volt range. Now I am measuring. This is the positive side of the battery and this is negative side, so I am placing this red probe at here and black probe at here. So this battery voltage is 9.59. I have made all the calculations according to 9 volt and practically I am getting 9.59 volt. Now let us connect it. Now we check voltage across each resistance. So I place it here. For measuring voltage across this resistor, I am placing this red probe here and black probe here. It is 3.08 volt. Across this resistance, it is coming 3.1 and it is also coming 3.12. This variation in voltage, slight variation in voltage, is because there is slight variation in resistance value because of the tolerance of the resistance. So we see how we can measure voltage. Now we will see how we can measure current. So for current measurement, you all know that we have to break the circuit and place the ammeter in the path. So I am breaking my circuit from this position. That means this resistance and this resistance, in between these two positions I am placing this meter in current measurement range. So I am placing this at this position in 2000 microampere range. Here my current is coming theoretically 3 milliampere. That means it is more than 2000 microampere, so I will place it at 20 milliampere range. Now I am breaking the circuit and placing this red probe at this position and black probe at this position because the direction of the current is this way. So now I am measuring. This current is coming 3.16 milliampere. So in this way we can measure current. If I break the path from here, then also I will get the same current because it is a series circuit connection, and it in series current is same. So this is the same current. Now we will see how we can measure resistance using multimeter. So I replace it. So this is a resistance of 100k value which I calculate through resistance color code. Now I want to measure it with multimeter. So for this I am placing this knob in resistance measurement range. Since I know its value is 100k, so I am placing it above 20k and below 200k, that means in 200k range. And now I will measure its value. It is coming 92 approx 92.4 ohm. This variation in resistance is because of its tolerance.